Good Sunday morning. It is a dismal day where I live in upstate New York, but it was warm. It's raining, but it's warm. Yesterday it was almost 50 degrees. I don't quite know what it is today, but definitely not cold enough to snow. So this is what I have been using as my bullet planner. I keep this in here. This is daily Bible reading. This is what I've been using this year. I have little calendars in the front, which I feel were pointless to me. And then I have, this is the first layout that I did in this book in July, and I don't like this way of doing calendar. So, and then I also did this, and then this is August. I switched to a big calendar like this, which I also didn't need because it's too big. I got my bill tracker and my income tracker, Bible verses. I also write a Bible verse a day, but I write the same verse for a week, and then more writing each day, like a diary of what happened that day. I don't want to do that this year. I want to keep things a little bit separate, so I made a new, I have some of the dot grid paper. So I made my own little calendar for this year, and I'm just having a little calendar and my bills and income tracker, and that's all I'm going to be doing in this book. This is going to be my Bible verse writing book, and I already have 12 of the verses picked out, and then each day I will write the verse once and try to memorize it. This I found at Five Below, and I really liked this, nightly notes. So I'm going to kind of do this instead of, what I was doing in here with the daily journaling. I'm going to use this, and each page is a new night, and it says one good thing that happened, one challenge that happened, what I'm thankful for, thoughts, dreams, and do this tomorrow. So every day, hopefully, I will remember, every night, hopefully I'll remember to do that. And then this was just a journal that I started because I had these National Wildlife Federation stamps and I wanted to get them safe. So this will just be a glue book. I have this notebook, which I probably will also write down some of my daily thoughts in. A little more detailed than this. This was a wildlife and bird journal that I started last year and I didn't keep up with. I might try to keep up with that again. Like if I wrote down when I saw each bird. I'm not very good, but some of them are kind of nice, I thought. And so I still actually have a few in here that I should be painting. Common blackbird, red admiral butterfly, what else? Tiger swallowtail butterfly. I can't believe I forgot all about these. Somehow I put this away and never looked at it again. I forgot all about it. So let's hope I can keep up with that this year. Then I also have this, which is bird sightings that I started in December. And basically this is what we saw, a new bird that we haven't ever seen before, and it was the red-breasted nuthatch. So I wrote about that, and that's all I've done so far. In there I have this little tiny collage book, which is kind of fun. I used to do it on in my shorts, so it was quick. Those are just stamps, and I hope to finish this one out too this year. Not that much left in there. This was a color glue book that I made up, and I haven't done much in there. I think I've done maybe one page of every color. There's pink. And did I do a green? Yes, so I did only one page of each color in there. This was an inchy glue book that I started, and it's like kind of like a scavenger hunt one. Different categories. So I even stamped and cut out the inches. And I think that page is really pretty, even though it's so simple. Anyway, I've got that. I started this in 2022. I actually took some pages out of here. That's a cat that from a magazine that I cut out and colored over. There's a lady that I colored over. There's a lot of just different collages in here. So I hope that I can finish this up. I may end up having to take some more pages out because it's getting pretty full. This is another glue book that I would say is just a big random glue book. He's cute, isn't he? So yeah, this is just like a big random glue book. Did this one recently. I think I have a video of that up. This was a surreal one that I did, and my story behind this was this family rented an Airbnb in the mountains, and when they got there, this is what they found. They weren't too happy with that. And, oh, I forgot about this one. That's another vintagey one. And some of the pages I just glued a background down. I think this does have extra people. Yeah, this has extra people on it. He wasn't on there either. And then some nature-y ones. I really like this one. And, yeah, here's just cats and dogs. Just like that page, so I put it down. And then I have a 2-inch graphic notebook, I guess you'd call it, graph paper, where I did some twinchies in here. These are most of these are stickers from Japan that my daughter brought home. Then we have a fall one. This is one that I don't love, but I just decided to try to make a different design in each square. I do love this one. And I do like this one. And I like these, but I think that's it. And one more for Christmas. And that was all I did in there, so hopefully I'll work on that. I think I only did one in here, but I liked this page too. I liked that he was black and white and he was painting all this color stuff in the background, and I think that was all I did in that one. Yep. This is another kind of big random glue book. I think this was the first one I ever did. Don't love it, but I was trying to cover the whole page with a bird. There's still some spots. This, I started out with just this and this, and after I added these ones, I didn't like it anymore. I just thought it was better with just the simple flower and the one bird. Some more nature type vintage from a vintage 50s magazine, Women's Day. A surreal one. Looks like he has a tail. Here's another surreal one. I like this one better. I just thought that was so cute. And another nature one. A lot of my collages and pages are more nature. And then here's some pages that I just put a background down. I'll probably not do anything with that because I just like it too much. And I think I have some in the back. Here, another just background. I might add stuff to that one. I don't love that one. This one I kind of like as is. This one I'll probably add stuff to. This one is pretty cool as is, but I might add some things up here. Who knows? And then I have this one. I decided to use only like cartoon characters, comic type drawings on this one. And oh no, there's another one. I probably will add to this one someday. And let's see. This is another environmental page. I have process videos of a lot of these in my a playlist. This is another magazine image that I painted over. I got that idea from Nicole of Relaxed Cut Glue. Here's another surreal one. I just did a video about how I added to this one. This is an old one that I added some things to because I felt like it wasn't finished. I still wonder if it's finished. I feel like I need something right here. But we'll see. So anyway, that's that. I also have made this notebook that I absolutely love. And I haven't done anything with it yet because I love it so much the way it is. I just love how it came out. I made this all by hand out of just cardboard, and I was really proud of how this one came out. So I've got that still. I also made this traveler's notebook cover, or fake traveler's notebook cover, and this one is not homemade, but these are all homemade notebooks that go in it. This is a book I keep of prayers that I've written, and some of it's just verses that I pray. And then this is lists of things that maybe I need to get or want to get. And then this one was for quotes and information about books that I've read. So notes from that, and that's what I keep in there. And I think that is it, for my 2025 journal lineup. There's a lot of them. And hopefully I will finish out some of these. Probably not these two, but some of these. Hopefully I'll finish out these this year. If I get very, very energetic about doing collages and have a lot of time. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe. By the time you see this, it'll probably be the new year, so I hope you're having a new year. I hope your new year started off with a bang, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.